G'day, my name's Pete and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. This tree is needing a trim and a bit of refining on shape, so that's what we're going to give it today. I consider this for the face of my tree. Don't know about this branch being out the front, but I like this as the front of my tree for some reason. It speaks to me more than this side. So that's what we're doing. Now there's plenty to trim. I've got some sinkers on here that can come off. They've been on here quite a while. Bit that branch down quite nicely. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at that. This branch here, if this is going to be the front, I think this might be too much. Plus it's growing sort of right in here, which I don't know if is overly attractive. But what I'll do, as I usually do, I'll wait and see how these develop. I've left extra so I can decide as time goes by which one may be better than the other. But generally that's about it. There is a couple of spots there that need trim. These things here can come down just to help grow, just make growth come out each side. Help that along. Same there, I think. And yeah, there we go. That's all I'm going to do for that. So I'll just let that go now. Some are definitely bottom dwellers there. They can go. The rest will just leave. See how it looks in a little while. These might be too long. I'll just trim them back a little bit. We'll see what goes from there.